Retro-style packaging has been making a comeback, and we have seen the resurgence of cheerful animated character drawings appear on packaging designs. These characters, inspired by the 1920s to the 1950s cartoon drawings, are a fun addition to packaging, giving them a nostalgic feel. To show you how you might be able to add fun retro mascots to your packaging, we will make our own for our PackMojo packaging. Let's begin with a folding carton die line. To create a character, you can definitely draw your own and add it to your packaging. However, if you are not sure how to go about this, there are tools that you can use to create a retro character. The tool that we will be using is ChatGPT's Retro Cartoon Generator. Generally, art generated by OpenAI's ChatGPT is safe for commercial use as long as you abide by several guidelines. For any tools you use, it's good practice to review the conditions for commercial use before adding them to your packaging. Once you have an image generated that you're happy with, bring it into Adobe Illustrator. From here, vectorize it by going to Object and selecting Image Trace, then Make and Expand. Once your drawing is vectorized, you have a scalable cartoon mascot to add to your packaging. Keep in mind that when you image trace your mascot, it creates a shape for the background of the image too. So you will want to select it using the Direct Selection tool and delete it. From here, add your other elements to your packaging. When adding color to our elements, we must keep in mind that our vector is made of shapes that fill the lines, but also the gaps in between. Therefore, to change the colors of only the lines, we will double-click on the vector to enter the grouped element of the vector. Then, taking the Direct Selection tool, we will select one of the lined areas. Then, to select all the other ones easily, we will go to Select, Same, and then choose Fill Color. This should select all the elements with the same color fill. In this case, it will only include the ones for the vector since we are only working within the group of our mascot vector. We have also added a stroke in the same color as the fill since we want our line drawing to appear thicker. Finally, we add a rectangle to fill the background of the packaging. We have to remember to change the shapes that account for the gaps between the lines in our mascot vector. Therefore, we will follow the same procedure of entering the grouped shapes of our vector by double-clicking on it, selecting a white section this time, and then going to Select, Same, and Fill Color. We then use the dropper tool to make the color the same as the background. Just like that, you're able to create and add your own retro cartoon mascot to your packaging designs.